So this video right here has 2.6 million views, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this same exact video in 5 minutes with zero video editing and absolutely no voiceovers or commentary at all. What's up? It's Jordan from Buy 9 to 5. So what I'm about to show you in this video is completely revolutionary. It will completely change the way you make content on YouTube faster, better, quicker than ever before. So if you want to follow along with me, if you click the link down in the description or pinned to the top comment, you can follow right along with me. It's completely free and you don't need to enter a credit card or anything like that. Alright, so check out this video right here.
Thing to gauge, but even more so when it comes to romantic feelings.
So this is a channel called Brainy Dose that has 1.6 million subscribers. And all they do is do simple voiceovers and take stock footage and put them in the video. Just to show you how long it would take to make a video like this, first we'd have to go somewhere and grab some stock footage like this clip right here, download that, we'd have to pull that in, we'd have to pull that into our timeline like this, then we'd have to write a script and shoot a voiceover, then we'd have to put the voiceover in, match it up, then if we wanted to add text with our voiceover, we'd have to add the text separately for every scene for an 8 to 10 minute video. As you know, that would take forever. You don't want to do that, neither do I, so let's do something else. Alright, so here I am in this awesome software that you can see in the link down below in the description and sign up for free. As you can see, they have hundreds and hundreds of different templates that we can use. So if you like this one, you could use this one. This allows you to make intros, Instagram ads, YouTube videos, everything that you want to do, you can do right here in this software. So there's so many fun things to look through that I cannot even begin to cover them all here. So what we're going to do is click right here, text to video. Wide 16 by 9. So as you can see, there's tons and tons of templates. For this one, we're going to go ahead and use this one right here. Now, what I've done is take this video right here, and I basically copied the script, but I put it in my own words. So I changed the words, I changed things around to make it my own, but I got the inspiration from this video right here. And I just did this in Google Docs. So now I'm just going to literally copy the script right here, and I'm going to put it into this software. So as you can see, it's literally just loaded in everything I need right here. So they literally just made a video for me. So if we preview this right here, and the text looks weird because it's in a small version, it won't look like that on the actual video. So in 2 seconds, it just made me a complete video using stock footage that's free to use and monetizable, along with all the text from my script. And as you guys might know, the text on the video actually drastically increases the watch time. So there's so many edits that you can do. So first of all, I recommend to take off these because you have to pay for those or you can get credits for them. So then what we want to do is say you don't like this clip right here, which doesn't really make any sense. So all you have to do is put couple fighting. And then literally we can just take this clip and drag it over and then click trim video to fit scene. Done. And so now it just literally loaded in a different stock footage clip. So no going to the stock footage website, downloading so many clips and having to put them in and then match everything up. It does it all for you. So now we can go ahead and click advanced editor. And from here we can change everything. We can change the way the text looks. We can add in different overlays. We can add in different music. We can cut up and chop up the timeline. We can do anything we want in here. So say we wanted to add something about basketball. Literally, there's tons of basketball clips that you can use. You can also upload your own videos and pictures. So say you wanted to do a LeBron James documentary video. You could literally grab LeBron James footage and clips and pictures, throw them all in here, then upload your script. It's going to make it into scenes for you and add the text onto the video for you in literally just a couple of minutes. So you can literally do everything you want to do right here in this software with no editing at all required. And now here comes the cool part. So let's click voiceover right here and click automate text to speech. Over here we have all these different options. I think Matthew sounds the best.
Hello. Hope you are having a great time making your video.
So you can go ahead and listen to the rest of these yourself. So we're going to click generate voiceover. And we're going to click add automated voiceover for all scenes. And it's literally going to take the entire script and make it an automated voiceover. And just like that, the voiceover is finished. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and quiet the sound of the song. And so let's go ahead and check out this video that I literally made in, I'm not even kidding you, 5 freaking minutes.
It can be difficult. It's very difficult to know how someone actually feels. This can be exasperated in romantic endeavors, especially with men. Does he really care about you? Or does he have ulterior motives? It's understandable to not want to commit to a relationship with someone who doesn't want one with you. If you're struggling with this problem, maybe our list will help you find the solution.
So as you can see, the automated voiceover does a really good job that sounds pretty realistic. From what I've heard, it's actually able to pass monetization. I've heard of people passing monetization with these sort of voices. And even if it didn't, think of the content you'd be able to pump out to do affiliate marketing and things like that as well. But what I recommend doing is doing your own voiceover. Now, you could record it in an outside software and bring it in, but then you have to match the scenes with the voice, which takes forever to do. So what I recommend doing is recording your voiceover right here in the software. So if we go ahead and click record voiceover, we can literally just start recording a voiceover right here and now. All you have to do is read the words as they're popping up on the screen because they're already showing. So you just come up here, click use your microphone. You can literally record your voiceover right here in the software, just reading the words that are popping up as they pop up. So that way you don't have to mess with the timing's already there. That's just a few of the things you can do. You can literally change the music. They have thousands of different songs in different genres that you can use, thousands of different templates that you can use. You can add in so much cool text and lower thirds and transitions. You can add overlays, so say I want to add something like this over this, drop it as a layer. And there you go. Now we have a cool little overlay. You can add smoke overlays. You can do so many different things. You can add arrows. So if you're creating an ad or something like that, you can very easily bring in different arrows. Make it a red arrow just like that. And you can literally throw this stuff in super freaking simple. Way easier than you can on any video editor. So you want to turn this lady into some sort of cool shape. You can literally drag that over just like that. You can do picture collages. There's just so many things you can do that I literally recommend you go down in the description or pin to the top comment. Click the link, sign up for free. You don't need to enter a credit card or anything like that. And play with all of the different kind of things that you can do with this software, because this is going to revolutionize the way that you make videos. I'm telling you, there's hundreds of different things. I haven't even messed with half of them, and it's absolutely amazing. So literally when you click the link, it'll take you right here. You just click try now. It's free. You don't have to enter any credit card or anything like that at all. And I highly recommend you start out by going up to tutorials right here and watching these tutorials so you get an idea of how to actually use it correctly and all the things that you can actually do with it. But definitely take a look at all these different templates. There's so many different kinds. Like say I want to make an Instagram ad for something random. Literally click this, and this is what it'll look like. And I'm able to fully edit this as much as I want. Or say you want to do some sort of testimonial video. Or you can do something cool like this as well. Or you can do some sort of intro. So it allows you to do those cool little intros and things like that as well. So there's just so many different things that you can do with this. So definitely go ahead and play with it. It's completely free. So you might as well go through and see what you can come up with and create. Because this can allow you to literally create videos in 5 minutes that would literally take you hours to create by yourself. So go ahead, check it out. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace. And now if you want to learn step-by-step how to make money on YouTube without making any videos, I made the most complete tutorial you'll ever find right here. So go ahead and click this, and I'll see you in the next one.